We were sent 2-packs of swim masks to review. 2 of these are for kids. 1 is for adults. These are all from the same brand, Aegend. We are absolutely loving them. They are all amazing, different features on each one of them. So let me show you a closer look and you can figure out which is gonna be the best for you or your kids. All of these are gonna be linked in video description below for you to shop, and they all have different color variations to choose from. So if you don't like the colors I'm showing you, don't worry, they probably have some others that you might like better. We're gonna start with this 2-pack of kids swim masks, and these ones include the nose cover here. So it's like one piece, super easy for them to use. Just they pop it on, it covers their nose and eyes at the same time, and it has attached earplugs. So that's all part of the set. And then on the back, it's easy to put on and off. It's like, couldn't be easier to snap on and off, and then it adjusts there. So this is gonna be great for kids who you don't want to have to worry about having multiple things to deal with, because some of the other masks we've got, the nose pieces and ear pieces are separate. So this one is an all-in-one, and then if they don't want the earplugs, you could easily just cut that off. The kind of rainbow look here is a really fun, but you can't see their eyes. So that's something for maybe the parent to decide if you like this or not. But when they're wearing it, that's the view. It is a little bit colored, which is fun. Does your kid want to have like a rainbow kind of view of the world when they have the mask on, or do they want to see like exactly like real life? You could decide, but it's a cool look and a cool option. Next up, I will show you this kids 2-pack, which you'll see this one does not have the nose cover or the earplugs included. So it's a basic, but because it is the mask type rather than the goggle, you have like a really great view, just unrestricted. And this one is clear. So if you don't want the rainbow look or whatever, and you want to see their eyes, this is going to be the one to go with. You have the same easy to get on and off here. You just adjust it and then you can pull it on, or you can unclip and clip it back. Super easy to use, really comfortable. That's really soft silicone here. This one does come with nose plugs and ear plugs. So that's really cool. They can use them if they want. My girls didn't use the earplugs, but they loved the nose plugs, which allowed them to do all their, you know, handstands and flippy flips and whatever without having to worry about getting anything up their nose. They could feel like a little synchronized swimmer in these, but then they don't have to use them. They could just use the mask. So these are amazing. Last but not least, we've got an adult pair here. My husband loves these. They are really comfortable. This is like a very soft and flexible silicone that seals all around your face and on your nose. They have attached earplugs here, which if you don't want to use them, you could just cut them off or just let them dangle. I mean, whatever. They're a really fun look. They look like ski goggles. They could probably double as ski goggles or protective wear if you're doing yard work and sanding wood and stuff, like really cool. Very easy to adjust. You just actually press in here and then you pull, boop, 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 and then this adjusts. And then, so you can just pull them on and off after they're adjusted to your size. And then you can also push there and completely open it up. So I just love how their masks work. These also came with these breathable kind of carry pouches to protect the lenses from getting scratched, and also lets them air out and not get all moldy. Branded pouches. It also comes with little nose clips, so I'm not even sure which direction to put them on, but boom. Oh my gosh, so that's really nice if you need to clip your nose. What we love about all these masks is that it gives you a really wide view, unlike traditional goggles, which you kind of get narrow. You just have less of a view. So all of these offer a really wide view. All of them seal and just do really well. No fog or issues like that. But I will say, personally, I haven't found one that works on my face yet. I've tried the kid sizes and the adult sizes. I just can't get them to fit. My face is a really weird shape, perhaps. Big cheekbones, tall nose bridge, narrow here. It's just it's just not working. But I think for most people, they're gonna fit just fine. My kids and my husband, all of them worked like completely perfectly for them. Oh, you can hear the suction. I love that these all feature the clip-on back, so you don't have to worry about pulling hair and all that. Ooh. Aegend has just such great swim masks and goggles, so click the link in my video description to shop. I know that you're gonna find something that you love or your kids love.